So, hello guys. So, welcome to Wamhoho's residence. The last time I was here, I told you about the landscaping. Sorry for that. And here's the progress. So, the gate is there. You can see the gate there, and you enter to Wamhoho's residence. And please don't mind the noise. The construction is ongoing and people are on lunch, so I'll take you straight to the house and I'll show you what's happening. So here it's the progress so far. This is what is happening. Some plumbing is ongoing, and here you're making a water tower. That is for the tower, for the water tower, and the landscaping is ongoing. You can see it. And here is the progress of the house. So there's some changes, not minor, major changes so far. This house, remember, it had roof, the mabati roof. Now that's how it's looking as of now. We opted to change. We have some minor changes that's ongoing, and I will explain why is that in the coming video. I will explain what happened. And here we added a design. You remember this before installed? So this is for the view. This will be all glass, and it's the one overlooking the hill. All the roof, we removed everything to restore your roof. And you see here, now the frame, we opted the iron frame, mabati. And as I said, I'll tell you what happened and what led to us removing that. Hizi ni frames za this balcony, so zinaingia hapa hivi. Next time I'm coming here, zitakuwa zimewekwa. Back to what I was saying, I'll tell you what happened, what led to the removal of the roof. I'll come with a video explaining what happened. And I will not say this is a minor change. It's a very major change, budget wise, structural wise. It's a very huge change. Let me take you to the rooftop so you can see what I'm talking about when I say there is change. Do you remember this one? So hii inapakwa rangi. We are still choosing on which paint to go with. This is the design that overlooks the living room. So that's how we did it. In fact, it's all the way mpaka kwa staircase. So let me show you the changes we did. Here we go. There's no roof, but we're still doing this. So remember, this place did not have this door, so we had to improvise and then we added another room here. There's a room here we added so that's the major change. And the roof will be overlooking the mountain. So this is the extension of the roof. Hivyo ndo inakaa. And here is what's happening on the landscaping. I'm overlooking it from the rooftop. That's how it looks as of now. It's taking shape pole pole, and here we're planting grass and some trees. Here we are putting cabros. Maybe today or tomorrow. In fact tomorrow, because today we are waiting for the compressor to come. It compress ndo tumwage some stuff. So that's what it's ongoing. On the other side, the wall, look at that. Let me go down and I'll show you what's happening on that side. So the walls on the plastering, it's done. It's only the pillars, and there's a design we want. Let me go and show you the design. It's coming through. You cannot see it well from here, but I think you can see it. So that's what's happening so far. Hiyo ni storage ya maji. That's some 10,000 liters drum. So this is what's happening. That's the gate. Looking good. Let me go and show you. So as I was saying, you can see the roofing wall. Iko hivyo as of now. So this is done already, and the mabatis will come now kwa hiyo sheets. Okay, the iron sheets we lay kwa hizi iron. Sita watu ya shuma kwa shuma. That's the design. You remember the pagoda? That's how it looks. Remember there was no door where the guy is standing. There was no door there, so we improvised. We added a door there because we are adding a room on the rooftop. There's a room we added hapo juu. That's the good thing about building your house, because you'll be flexible to the changes. You'll be flexible to do adjustments. If something is not fitting well with you, you tend to change. So let me go and show you what's happening on the outside. You can see the details on this guardrail. Right, so the only thing left there is the paint, and the paint will be done in some few days to come. So the design goes all the way kwa staircase zote mpaka huko chini, and that space overlooking the hoop, the sitting, the living room. So these are the gutters. Some high quality gutters. Hizi ni za nini? So let me show you the walls, the design that we are going for. That design. You see that design? What we have did. So everywhere there's a pillar. That's the design we are going for. So and that's what's ongoing as of now. That's what's happening. So there's too much work today to be done. These are the iron sheets we're putting huko juu. This one will be going huko juu. And the ghettos, and then in the next 1 week we are doing the tiling. It will be starting, but we have to change on some things. There's some things we're changing. We're changing. Some things will be changing. So that's the progress of the house so far. These are the views, the glass windows that are going for maturation. Are they 1 week? Yes, they are 1 week. They are 1 week. So we're just waiting for them to finish with the minor changes. You can see this one is not done. After what they apply stuff, yeah, skimming, it's not done. Eh? Imagine, and it's looking wow. Kumaanisha ikimalizika ikipakwa rangi, this thing is good to be one of a kind. The wiring is done. Tata moto iko. As of now, moto iko. So this one is going on the upper room. Ndio inaingia huko. And this other thing inaenda kwa pagola. This is the blue thing that's ni roof yake. Inaenda huko kwa pagola. And that's how everything is looking as of today. So I'll see you tomorrow. The next day, the day after. It's tomorrow. And I'll show you the progress so far. Today a lot is happening, so I'm not even able to shoot well, but at least you get the glimpse of what's happening, sindio? So if you kama uko hapo, please subscribe and like, share, comment, and remember, I love you all. Bye. This one is going all the way around the house, and we'll be putting some flower bed there, and here is some pillar. The water tower is going here, so this is for the msingi foundation. That's the ongoing work. The plastering is done. The only thing left now is the pillars only. So that's what's happening on the compound so far.
I could get through to you, don't know what to do to you. Anything I say will come off as wrong and you're not alone. Something feels out of place, but you
here
have no time.
we're planting. You see there's 2 sections, eh? That section that's being backfilled tunaweka cabros, and then this section we are planting grass and some trees and some waterfall. I hope we will execute that. So that's what's happening on the compound side. It's too much, so much progress, ndio? Yes, too much ongoing. Yani kazi inaendelea. So let's hope. But then by the time I'm coming, the day after Makisho, there will be major changes. So let me leave it at that. And remember, subscribe please, subscribe, eh? Like, share, comment. So sijui kama tutaonea huku nje the design that's ongoing huko juu. Kama itaonekana, let me find a name. On the outside, this is what you're seeing. I'm at the outside, waka barabara. So let me see if I will see, yani the design that we are executing huko juu itaonekana nikiwa huko nje. I don't know if I'm short ama itaonekana. Let me see. Where do we stand? Be able to pick that design. No. So I hope you can see that key design, that kishima on the candles. The one on the side, there's something we're executing there. A design. We had a change. Like I said, we are having major change. It's not a minor change. That's a major change, and I hope it will come through. But so far so good. It's coming along well. That's the Boma. That's the Wamhuhus resident. And like we say, prayer works, hard work pays. Consistency is the name of the game. So see you on the next side. Bye. And I love you. I'm sorry, this is my Jirani's homestead, but I have to pass through. For me, sikupitia kwa gate because there's work being done. Yeah, now here, I think here is where you can see it well. Eh? This is the wall on the outside. So that there, that's the design I was looking for. Eh? Hapa unaichukulia vizuri. Hapa unaichukulia vizuri sana. That's the design. That's how it's looking from this side. Itakuwa inakaa hivyo. It's pretty. That's like a gate, and this gate provides access to this land. Here is also our land, so it's our land. So simiaka kageta, it gives you access to this land all the way mpaka huko chini. Here we are doing, this is our farmland. Hii ni shamba ya kupanda mboga, kila kitu. This will be farming land. inaitwa farming land, all the way inafika wapi huko, where you see the toilet there, all the way mpaka huko chini. So we'll be planting here, we'll be coming often. When you see me here, usiniulize kwa nini unaenda kwa jirani. No, hapa tunapanda mboga and so many things. Hiyo ndo gate yake, so there's access, and this one will be plastered. Okay, which week? I don't know which week, but it also needs to be plastered. Imaliziwe ikae poa, yache kukaa fogudari. Imetoka hapo mpaka huko mwisho. So let me stop it at that. See you and I love you all. Bye.